Noah Newman checking back in from windy and rainy Rosemont, Illinois, just outside of Chicago, where I'm at the first ever Vine event. It's essentially an AI workshop being hosted by Vibe by Visor Pro, and really interesting stuff being talked about here. We have leaders from multiple dealerships, including Ag Revolution, Agritier, Young's Equipment, Can Equip, just to name a few. And I caught up with Rob Syke, the founder of Vibe by Visor Pro, for some key takeaways about this first ever event.
At the Precision Farming Dealer Summit in St. Louis in January, I was on stage and we talked about having an AI academy for dealerships. It was in Montana when I was talking about AI and Visor Pro. One of the dealerships, Ryan Torgerson, came up to me and said, we need more than we're using Visor Pro, but we also need to think about AI integration. And that was the genesis of the idea. So we took that idea and decided to move forward with a very select and small group of dealers to talk about AI leadership inside of dealerships, what they're doing, how they're implementing it, where the gaps are, where do they want to go. And so that's why we invited people from Texas and Saskatchewan and Kentucky and Pennsylvania and Indiana and Ohio here to talk about that at the dealership level.
Yeah, and what have been some of your key takeaways from the morning so far?
Well, one of the things we shared is, of course, the industry is undergoing constraints right now. And so how do we use technology to leverage up or to level up our people, do more with less, do more faster? AI is capable of doing that. And to think about AI as an operating system for the dealership with pipelines coming in to the operating system and output, depending on what department, whether it's aftermarket sales, whether it's finance or admin, like what do you want coming out of AI? And it really is not so much an AI discussion, Noah, as it's a data discussion.
Yeah, my brain is still processing all the information from the event here. Just so many interesting things about the state of AI right now and how businesses and dealerships are using it. So we'll have a full recap of this event coming soon to precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner in Rosemont, Illinois, I'm Noah Newman.